we are going to do an Among Us snow globe. You would need a jam jar, a lid from a bottle, some clay Among Us's, super glue, glitter and some baby oil. First we will need to take our jam lid off and glue the bottle cap onto it. Now that we have glued our lid onto our jam jar lid, we are going to glue our Among Us's onto the lid. Now that we have glued our Among Us's onto our lid, we are going to pour the baby oil onto it. Sounds like a pig. Now that we have done it fully, our Among Us's should be dry. Now that our Among Us's are dry, we are going to pick some glitters and put it into our jam jar. Now that Jimmy has picked our two glitters, red and yellow, we are going to put them in one cap like this. Like this. And put them in your jam jar. You will need one lid and then pour it in. We have poured our glitters into our jam jar. We are going to very carefully screw the lid on to our jam jar. If you need some help, really tight as well. And if you need help, please ask an adult. Oh, it's flowing.
It's flowing. It's a tsunami.
We put a bit too much oil, so it just spilled on the table. I just prefer to use a little bit less. Now let's give it a shake to see what it looks like. Wow, that's really nice. Wow. That does look really nice. Hope you really enjoyed our video. If you want to do one of these at home, we'll leave everything you need to use to get one of these. Please like and subscribe to PJs. Bye.